Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I'm going to show you a 1968 Chevrolet C10 custom pickup truck. This truck is absolutely beautiful. Kind of a pale yellow with a white top. This truck has been fully restored front to back, top to bottom. Absolutely gorgeous truck. Has an LS engine in it, 4L60 transmission, power steering, power brakes, disc brakes, vintage heat and air conditioning. You want to talk about a top quality, top shelf truck. Here it is, guys and gals. 1968 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. Now the 67 and 68s are my favorite, and this is no exception to the rules here. Beautiful set of billet specialty wheels with red line tires. This is a top quality restoration, guys. This paint and body on this truck is gorgeous. I bet it would cost you 40 grand for the paint and body work alone on this truck. Inside of the box is beautiful. Base coat, clear coat, even in the box. Fuel tank has been relocated to the rear of the truck. Beautiful chrome bumpers. All the stainless trim and chrome on this truck has been all replaced. All brand new stuff, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Check out the quality of this truck. The grille, the front bumper, the headlights, the marker lights, the emblems, all the side marker lights, everything on this truck is brand new. All the glass is in perfect shape on this truck. All this bright work around the windows in perfect shape. New mirrors, new door handles. Interior in this truck is absolutely gorgeous. Brown seat with kind of the houndstooth material in the center. New steering column, chrome tilt steering column, new steering wheel. It's got digital gauges in it. It's got a retro radio in it. Vintage air controls, cigarette lighter, kick panel speakers, new sun visors, new dome light, which it works. We'll start it up for you. I'm telling you what, this truck runs absolutely excellent. Runs like a thief in the night. Got 1,959 miles on it since restoration. You see the quality of the paint even inside the truck. The door jambs, the doors, the door panels, the dash, everything on it is absolutely amazing. I have about 6 of these trucks in stock, maybe 7, and they're all just top quality trucks. You see the quality, the finish on the inner fender, the finish on the firewall, the finish on the bottom side of the hood, aluminum radiator, headers, vintage air down below, cold air intake. This truck's ready to drive, ready to enjoy today. If you've been looking for one, don't wait around. Give us a call today and get this thing in your garage. Your neighbors are gonna flip when this thing rolls in. I'd love to point out imperfections to you guys, but I've walked around this truck 3 or 4 times and I don't see a single scratch or nothing. Scratch, ding, nick. There's one little chip on the hood, on the front of the hood that has been touched up, and I'll point that out to you here in just a second. Outside of that, this thing is 100% gorgeous. One little chip right here that has been touched up. You see that? You know, it's hard to see, but one little chip about the size of the end of a ballpoint pen, maybe. That's what I try to do here at Kenyon Classics. I show you everything that I see on these trucks, cars, and our customers, most of them, probably 75% of them, never come here to see these vehicles. They rely solely on our pictures, videos, and descriptions of these trucks and cars to make an educated decision on whether to purchase them or not. So that's why I'm honest up front with you. If I see something, I will point it out. We've been in business for over 50 years. It's a great, great business, guys. I love it. I love what I do. I love meeting the customers. Love talking to people about cars anytime. Kenyon Classics, we buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So if you're interested in buying this C10, or check out my website, www.kinyonauto.com, KINION-auto.com, and check out the other C10s that we have in stock. A lot of beautiful, beautiful trucks. A lot of beautiful muscle cars too, guys. We'll take this thing down the road real quick. Even has a padded dash. Padded dash is brand new. The wipers work. The only thing I didn't see that works is the horn. I don't know if they had a button somewhere for the horn, but I haven't figured that out yet. Got a little traffic here, so I know you see them gauges flickering. They don't actually flicker. It's the camera that makes them look like they're flickering. It does that on about every digital dash that I video. This thing rides great too. Air blows ice cold. Truck rides excellent. Drives good. Everything's new on the truck. The suspension, brakes, front end parts. Less than 2,000 miles ago, everything's brand new. I'll roll this window up. I'll turn the air back on. Air's ice cold. And you can see the quality of the paint. Look at the hood. Rolling down the road, 65. We're about 1,800 RPM. Pull over here. We'll turn back around. The brakes will stop you real quick. Guys and gals, 563-452-2450, Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Check us out, www.kinyonauto.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button on this YouTube video. That way you never miss another great quality vehicle from Kenyon Classics, guys and girls. Thank you.